I just saw a comment on a presentation tool review that really stuck with me. Someone said AI would be genuinely worth it if you could just throw a bunch of images and text onto a slide and it would automatically align and size everything for you. Here's the thing, that's a feature that's already here. Let me show you the tool that does it and where it pulls ahead of the others. Look, I'm not here to trash other tools because most of them are good at what they do. I'm comparing the actual workflows side by side, starting a deck, formatting it, keeping it on brand, and editing it later. Where they're similar, I'll say so. But where Beautiful.ai saves you real time, I'll show you exactly why.
Let's start with the comment's exact wish, formatting.
In traditional tool, you drop in images and text and fix everything by hand, nudging boxes, matching sizes, eyeballing margins. But watch the same task with Beautiful.ai. I had the same content and Smart Slides aligns and resizes it automatically. Add another image, it rebalances. That's the whole point. The layout does the design work as you go. This is the thing that people keep asking for, and it's already here. Next, starting from zero. Most tools hand you a blank slide or a static template that you still have to wrestle into shape. Beautiful.ai lets you start with AI, a template, or a single smart slide, and every one of those is built on layouts that stay designed as you edit. Same starting line, but a very different first 5 minutes. Here's where teams quietly lose hours. Brand consistency. With a lot of tools, brand control means matching fonts and colors slide by slide, and it drifts the second someone else touches the deck. With Beautiful.ai, a theme holds together fonts, colors, and logos across every slide and stays consistent as you edit. And for a team, that's the difference between one deck and 5 decks that sort of match. In the last one, what happens a month later when the deck needs changes? Elsewhere, edits often break your layout and you're stuck reformatting again. With Beautiful.ai, you can add, remove, or rework content and Smart Slides readjust. So updating a deck isn't the same as rebuilding it. So who is Beautiful.ai actually for? Well, anyone who isn't a full-time designer but still has to make great looking decks fast. The other tools can get you there, but they make you do the formatting. Beautiful.ai does it for you, which, going back to that comment, is exactly what people have been asking for, and it's here now. So if you want to try it, the link is in our description, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Beautiful.ai tutorials.